Did you know that if you're in Canada and you want to learn to talk Jamaican, you have to go to York University? And in the United States, it's Harvard University that's teaching the Jamaican patois. But you don't have to go to all that problem to learn my beautiful language. Just subscribe to this channel and follow me regularly as I talk to you in patois and then give you an idea in English what I just said. You will be helped if you get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com. It's written by me, Joan Williams. I'm trying to make these lessons as interesting as possible for you because I know that you would really love to chat like me.
But our this father, you did know say some woman put glue in a them head? You know say me never know till me hear about that woman who go put something named gorilla glue in her head. Then tell me something, if you is not a gorilla, and where you would have want put gorilla glue on your body for? Lord have mercy, me not understand the young people, you know. You know say, enough of them did play with Barbie doll when them a little picnic. And when they grow up, them no realize say them still have certain things in their mind where they need to clear out. You know, we did have one wise man, you know, named Marcus Garvey. He said, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. You need to get certain things out of your mind because when your mind control your life, you know. Me know say plenty people think say Bob Marley say that, you know. But I know Bob Marley. Bob Marley was a smart boy. You know, say he read the teachings of Garvey and him say, but hold on. No for we not like reading, you know. But if me put it in a me song them, we sing it. But no for we sing and we don't know where we are sing, we no meditate upon the same thing, then we are say. So although we sing redemption song and talk about emancipate yourself from mental slavery, none of we can free yourself, but we free your mind. We not take them things they seriously. And you know, say Garvey and Marley come from the same place. They never know one another though. If them did know one another, the world would be a better place because Bob would have been a better disciple, not true. But Garvey, him did it from 1940 and Bob him born 1945. But he take a whole heap away the Garvey right and I try teach it, but boy, enough of the people all over the world, they sing Bob Marley things and them understand and them contemplate upon them and they meditate and then turn better. But I know everybody. Now some people, boy, their mind just stuck in a one rut. You don't know, master. Of course, me not call nobody idiot, you know. Me just throw me can, me no call no foul. Boy, me hope you enjoy them lessons here in a Jamaican patois because me like chat too, no man. And you must get your Talk Jamaican from Amazon. It will help you learn to chat like me. And if you love them program, you know, you must like them and you must subscribe to them and you must send them to your friend, you know. Yeah, man, the whole away happy if you do that. Walk good. In the previous section, I was marveling that some women would actually put a glue in their hair. I never knew until this lady created quite a scene when she put a thing called gorilla glue in her hair. Now, why would someone want to put something called gorilla glue in their hair if they are not a gorilla or on any part of their body? I am absolutely amazed. You know, I think what happens to a lot of young people is that they probably played with a Barbie doll and that they brought that through life as their idea of beauty. But as our Marcus Garvey said, we need to emancipate ourselves from mental slavery, for it's our mind that it's how we think that causes us to act. I know a lot of people think it is Bob Marley who said that in Redemption Song. Yes, Bob Marley said it when he wrote Redemption Song, but he was a very smart fellow. He recognized that what Garvey wrote was so good that it needed to be promulgated throughout the world, and he knows a lot of us don't like to read. We'd much rather sing lyrics from a song. But even when we sing the lyrics and the words of Garvey, a lot of us don't think and contemplate on what we're saying, you know. And by the way, did you know that both Garvey and Marley are from the same place? They are from the parish of St. Anne in Jamaica. Garvey was born in the town of St. Anne's Bay, but Marley was born up in the hills in a place called 9 Miles, quite high up on the southern part of St. Anne. They didn't know each other because Garvey died in 1940 and Bob was born in 1945. But had those two gentlemen known each other, the world would be much wiser, you know. I hope you're enjoying my lessons in Jamaican patois, and soon you'll learn to talk like me. And don't forget to get your Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com. And if you like these lessons, you must subscribe to the channel and share them with your friends. You have a wonderful day.